Today we got a video from Underwatch, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Thought She'd Get Away After Shoplifting Thousands in Merchandise."
You can't touch me. You can't touch me. You cannot touch me. I hope y'all body cams on. I hope your body cam on. It is. Our body's camera on.
On May 31st, 2025, officers responded to a reported retail theft at a Target store after loss prevention staff observed a suspect removing multiple items without payment. The individual passed the final point of sale and exited the store with unpaid merchandise. Officers arrived promptly, detained the suspect, and initiated an on-scene investigation to recover property and determine criminal charges.
Maybe you say right now, we're still sorting it out. We're going to go with us right now. Get you out of here and then we'll figure it out. Okay?
We're going to get everything figured out once we get outside.
All right, walk with me.
You're not finna leave me out here, bro. You're not finna do that.
We're going to let you sit in the car.
Come on now, like.
Before I put you in the car,
You can't touch me. You can't touch me. You cannot touch me. Really? Are you serious?
okay, lighter in the back.
I hope y'all body cams on. I hope your body cam on.
It is. Our body's camera on. Go ahead and take a seat. Okay, so are you...
You cuss too hard. Too hard.
So why are you lying to me about your name? Is this not you?
Yeah,
That's you? That's not you? She got markings on her face just like you. So, you lying because you got a warrant?
No, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk, period. You can't make me talk. Do what y'all gonna do. Do what you gonna do.
Okay, so we're going to go to jail then.
Thank you.
Okay.
She admitted who she is, yeah.
She would not outright tell me that this was who she was and that she was lying about her name. She told me to do what I'm going to do.
So you're going to give her the ultimatum to do? Say, hey, this is a felony. If you lie about your name, last chance. See what she says.
She got warrants.
Officers arrived on scene and attempted to confirm the suspect's identity, but the individual repeatedly provided inconsistent information and refused to cooperate. Despite multiple clear warnings that giving false identification could result in an additional felony charge, the suspect remained defiant. After continued questioning and explanation of legal consequences, the suspect eventually acknowledged their true identity during the investigation.
Yeah, but I mean, she could go with felony. She continues to say that.
All right, this is the deal. If you don't give me the correct name and you're hiding something, you get another felony on the way to jail.
What do you mean another felony?
Yeah, so what he's telling you is that if you are doing a crime, which stealing a vacuum is a crime. Hold on, listen to me. Hey, listen to me. Hey, whoa, listen to me. So what I'm telling you, hey, are you going to listen to me or will we just roll the window back up? You want to listen or not? Okay, so when you do a crime, and we identify you, if you lie about your name, that is called obstructing justice, which is a felony. So what he is, listen to me. So what he is telling you, that if you are lying about who you are, because we found out there's this other person that's maybe you that has a warrant, and if you're willing to maybe be honest about it, we don't necessarily have to charge the felony. But if you continue to go down the path of lying about who you are, then it's a obstructing justice felony, which is lying about your name. So that's what he's trying to tell you, and just trying to get you to be honest about who you are. We already have a photo of this other girl that we think is you. So, I mean, it's up to you if you want to just, come off it and say, yeah, this is who I am. I got a warrant. That's who I am, because we've already kind of figured that out anyway. So that's what he's trying to say to you in kind of different terms.
Back here.
I know. So do you want to just tell them who you really are so we can...
Another felony. So why
Obstructing justice is a felony.
So what am I being charged with now besides that?
Well, the theft part, the vacuum thing. We already talked about the vacuum
No, I'm
part.
saying they charged me.
Well, yeah, I mean...
He said he was going to give me a no trespassing.
I didn't tell you anything at all.
The prevention man.
Nope.
The black man down there.
He tried to stop you and you...
Yes, he said he'd give me the no trespassing.
Well, but again, so part of your problem is people are giving you chances and you're not taking them. So he probably said to you, if you just drop the vacuum and walk away, we'll just trespass you and be done with it. But that's not what you did, right? You walked out and drove away. So that's why he called us. So again, now we're in this position where we're trying to prevent a felony charge for the obstruction, but you're not listening and you're not taking the warning of if you continue on this path, you're going to get a felony obstruction. And you're just continuing to lie. So that's probably what he meant down there, is if you just dropped it and then they wouldn't charge you, but you left with it. So that's why he called us. So tell us also who you are so we can maybe help you.
Man, she don't care. She already got a warrant. She don't care, man. Her life is already in shambles, man. It's over with. She don't care. She don't care. She really don't. Lost cause, man. Lost cause. This lady here, like the officer said, people are giving you opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. But she decides to keep doing things her way. But she don't understand that doing things your way got you in this predicament that you're in now. I don't know what's so hard about the concept, man. People are crazy nowadays.
Tell me what your real name is. I'm trying to help you here. Give me your real name. Well, it does matter because it's going to help you keep from getting the additional charge. Okay? So give me your real name. Say that one more time. You leave the window open so you can breathe. Thank you.
Where the items at? No, I think there's some on the ground out there by herself. Go photograph them.
She gave me the real name.
Is that the one that we think it is?
Yeah.
That has the warrant? Yeah. Yes, I would say that if she didn't have the warrant, we could consider this. If we're going over there anyway, we might have to do all that anyway. It really changes nothing because it's the same amount of paperwork.
Step out for me, I need to search you. I don't care if they search you, I need to search you. They can't do a thorough search like we do. Step out, please.
What are we doing there?
Kyrie, step on out.
I need to search you. Nope. It's our policy that we need to search you.
I got the line.
Get her together. She ain't acting right.
I don't know that. This is my first time. Step out, please.
People lie to us all the time. So it's our policy, we got to search you.
Step out, please. Separate your feet for me. Can you do a little wider spread for me, please? Appreciate it. Do you have any bra on?
Do the thorough search so I can get back in the car.
I need to ask if you have a bra on.
What's going on?
I ain't got no dope on me.
I don't know you from me, ma'am, so I gotta ask you this question for my
Why would it be dope? Why could it be weed?
Okay, fair enough.
Why have it be dope?
So you see,
You might step into your right. Step into your right, please.
What?
Step over this direction so she can get beside you there. You got anything in your shoes?
No. You want to take them off?
No, they'll take them off at the jail.
You don't have anything in them, though. The extra charge, the felony charge, on top of whatever you got going on
She
here.
puts off it to me. Because I already know. You already know.
Your camera on?
do I need to check your cuffs real quick?
Please.
I can fit a whole finger in that one. I can actually fit 2 fingers. In this one, I can fit 2 fingers, so I can't loosen it for you, okay? Alright.
Target coming over to get this property or what?
I told them I was going to bring it to them because I still need a mount for all the property.
Well, if you want to start over with her, there's your car.
Yes.
Start over with her, and we'll take care of the property with that.
Okay. Yeah, I already sent them a link for the video.
Okay. So vacuum, the clear,
Vacuum, the clear organizer. There should be a pillow and a mattress. Like a mattress in a box.
All right, go pull the car up and grab that stuff out.
That was only 4 things.
Yeah, I think there's something in the bottom, but...
Yeah, like pallets and small blocks.
She also has a prior case for 500.
Okay.
So, got in my report.
What, was that reported to us before?
I think I put on an online report.
Okay, do you know? Okay.
It was like a month ago, month and a half ago.
Okay. Would you be able to give us like date and time that way we can have our search?
Yeah.
Investigators confirmed that multiple items were taken from the store without payment. The merchandise included a boxed vacuum cleaner, a mattress packaged for retail sale, a pillow, and a clear storage organizer. All items were carried past the final point of sale, establishing that the merchandise was removed intentionally without completing a lawful purchase transaction.
Something else? Yeah. It would be a liter. I don't know. Or liters.
Hey, Aaron, can you come up to the service desk?
I'll be right there. Just his change.
There we go.
No, I think her checking. Yeah, she's getting all the information from the glasses. Yep. All right, take it. Like what time?
I closed, so I probably recorded around like 5.
What time did it happen?
Let me go look.
It's no big deal. We'll take a look. All right. What was stolen? Do you remember?
Yeah, it was an ice maker, and then it was a mattress too.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what's the dollar figure on
The
that?
ice maker was like 400.
Okay. Is there a photo of her attached to it? That will check it.
Yep.
All right.
Same bag.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Based on the investigation, the defendant was formally charged with retail theft for knowingly taking merchandise from a retail establishment without payment, an active in-state warrant not issued by the local county, and possession of a controlled substance. The defendant was taken into custody, processed according to law, and the case was forwarded to the appropriate court, where final disposition, penalties, and conditions will be determined at a scheduled hearing. What's your take on this case?
Okay, so she hasn't been sentenced yet. All right, man. So anyway, we see these videos time and time and time after time, right? Day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. People stealing from Walmart, Target, Best Buy. Why? Why do these people not search on YouTube and see that most of these shoplifting are going from these three places, especially Walmart and Target? Do they not know you shoplifting at Target, you're going to become a target? Nah, I know I just spit some bars right there, man. No, I did. You know? But I'm just saying. You shouldn't be stealing regardless. But if you are going to do it, you damn sure enough shouldn't be stealing from the big department stores that they got people in the office that got nothing but time just to watch you on camera and eat some yogurt, chill out, relax, and watch you steal. They might let you get away with it for a day. But that's just to get you comfortable so you could come back and do it again, and then they're going to pile on another case on top of you. And they just building up their cases. Don't make no sense, man. These people are a lost cause. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, I think the officers get a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.